Nari, listed in the Tian Shan Mountain, is one of the Kyrgyzstan's most scenic and culturally rich cities. Hotel here range from cozy guest houses to boutique stays that blends tradition with comfort. Here are the top 10 hotels in Narin that promises long relaxation and authentic experiences. The first one is Han Tengri Hotel Nari. Han Tengri is one of the most modern hotels in Naring, offering spacious rooms with mountain views. The property features clean interior, private bathroom, Wi-Fi, and central heating, important for Naring's cold climate. In-house restaurants serve both cakes and European dishes. Guests highlight the professional service and central location. It's perfect for business travelers as well as tourists, a polished choice in the heart of the city. The second one is Western Mountain Guest House. A cozy boutique style properties, Western Mountain Guest House known for its feminine hospitality and cultural charm. Rooms are clean with traditional Turkish decor adding warmth. Homemade meals, especially breakfast, is fresh bread and dairy, are much loved. The atmosphere is peaceful, surrounded by mountain views. Hosts are welcoming, often share stories about the region, which is ideal for travelers seeking comfort with authenticity. The third one is Grand Han Tengri Hotel. Grand Han Tengri Hotel offers modern upscale amenities in Nari. The rooms are well furnished with flat screen TVs, mini bars, and clean bathrooms. Guests enjoy the on-site dining option, which includes both international and local cuisine. The hotel also offers small conference space, making it suitable for business groups. Staff are professional and efficient, ensuring a smooth stay. A dependable option for those wanting a little luxury in Nari. The fourth one is Aska Hotel Nari. Aska Hotel is a mid-range property known for its clean, spacious rooms and quiet location. Guests appreciate the homely feel and warm service from the staff. The hotel provides basic facilities like Wi-Fi, private bathrooms, and heating. The restaurants serve fresh local dishes, adding to the homely charm. Its peaceful setting make it perfect for families. It's a simple yet comfortable option. The fifth one is Han Tengri Guest House. Different from the hotel, Han Tengri Guest House offer a more intimate home-style-like experience. Rooms are modest but very clean, with warm bedding suited for Narin's alpine weather. Meals are cooked fresh, often with local organic ingredients. Guests love the personal hospitality of the host, who also help arrange tours to Sonpul and Tash Rabat. The cozy environment make it popular among trekkers and backpackers. The next one is Aptus Hotel. Aptus Hotel is designed for travelers seeking budget-friendly comfort with essential facilities. Rooms are neat with Wi-Fi, heating, and clean bathrooms. The hotel's restaurant offer a mix of local and international dishes. Staff are friendly and often assist with local guidance. Guests like its location, which provide access to both city amenities and natural surroundings. A practical choice for budget-conscious visitors. The next one is Nomer Stream Guest House. A favorite among cultural travelers, Nomer Stream Guest House reflect traditional Turkish living with a modern touch. The rooms are decorated with local crafts and colorful carvings. Here include hearty traditional dishes and breakfasts are specially praised. The hosts are very welcoming and provide cultural insight into Kurdish nomadic life. The atmosphere is warm, homely, and unique, a must-try for those wanting authentic experience. The next one is Lion Guest Inn. Lion Guest Inn is a small guest house offering clean, simple rooms and family-style hospitality. Guests enjoy the cozy atmosphere and homemade meal. The property is close to the town center, making it convenient for shopping and transport. The affordable prices make it popular among backpackers, a safe and friendly place in Nari. The second house is Han Tengri Plaza. Han Tengri Plaza is one of the newer properties in Narin, offering stylish interiors and modern amenities. Rooms are larger and equipped with all essentials, including Wi-Fi, private bathrooms, and comfortable beds. The in-house restaurants serve a variety of dishes catering to international travelers. guest highlight professional service and organized facilities. The last one is Akbulak Guest House. Akbulak Guest House is known for its peaceful setting and rustic charms. Rooms are modest but cozy with traditional Turkish touches. Guests appreciate the garden area and mountain views from by the property. The hosts are warm and serve delicious home cooked meals. It's an excellent choice for travelers looking for affordable stay with authentic hospitality. The simple yet welcoming vibe make it memorable. Narin is a gateway to Kyrgyzstan's stunning and fine beauty and nomadic culture, and its hotel reflect this charm. From the modern comfort of Han Family and Grand Han Family to the authentic warmth of Mermaid's Dream Guest House and Alpilak, there's something for every traveler.